Hey guys, so in this video I will show you how you can create and play in private lobbies or private matches in Fall Guys. It's quite easy and simple, so let me show how. First, of course, what you need to do here is to load up your game, and then you should see similar window here like I'm seeing right now. And it really doesn't matter if you're using Xbox, PS5, PS4, PC or Switch, the process will be pretty much the same. So on the bottom right corner you should see play button. I need to press X, and also there is show selector, right? So you need to press on that. For me square. And then as you can see here, you should see solo shows, squad shows and more, a bunch of different play modes. And also if I press R1 for one time, I will land on custom shows. So now I can host private match or join. So if you want to create private match, you just need to press on host and press submit. And then as you can see here, if I press square, it will be the custom code that I need to share with my friends or other players that basically they want to join my private lobby, and they should go on show selector, custom shows, join, and enter the code here, right? And that's pretty much it, what you need to do here. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.